go over there. Come on now, man. They need your help.
Tiptoe, and everyone just knew Tiptoe could fly.
Shouldn't you be getting ready for your flying test?
It's nearly Christmas! Fly? Maybe next year.
Everyone, that is, except Tiptoe. So Tiptoe's friends visited the North Pole's greatest makers, who came up with their greatest invention yet.
Wow. What is it exactly?
It's a paramedic magically elevating levitation instigation engine with vehicular enhancement. It's a flying machine!
It works! Now Santa, do the test! Oh no! I just have to believe.
From that day on, Tiptoe was never scared to fly again because she realized the courage she needed was in herself all along.
Now have you heard what's going on in Toronto? They're digging deeper, deeper, deeper every day. So proprietors are raving while they're tearing up the paving. The racket is nerve-wracking, so they say. And though the noise may be distressing, still construction is progressing, and we can't afford a further delay. So with the help of you and me and the blessed TTC, we'll soon have a real subway.
Yes, we're gonna have a subway in Toronto. We gotta get the working man on pronto. So bear the noise with a smile, and in a little while we'll be riding in the new subway.
Now it's generally conceded that a subway here is needed, for the people have to get to work each day. We have men in Deseronto, girls who live in North Toronto, and to all of them we have just this to say. Modern history's in the making with this hallowed undertaking, and Rome wasn't built in a day. You may find it's aggravating, but be sure it's worth the waiting, for we'll soon have a real subway.
Yes, we're gonna have a subway in Toronto. We gotta get the working man on pronto. So bear the noise with a smile, and in a little while we'll be riding in the new subway.
Now with modern engineering, dear old Young Street's disappearing. By the truckload they are hauling it away.
Take it away!
Excavation so extensive will doubtless be expensive, but who cares about expenses anyway?
Anyway.
Though we may have open Sundays, there are plenty of blue Mondays when the pile drivers start every day.
The workmen do the swearing,
While the public do the staring, and we'll soon have a real subway.
Yes, sir. Yes, we're gonna have a subway in Toronto. We gotta get the working man on pronto. So bear the noise with a smile, and in a little while we'll be riding in the new subway. Don't take a streetcar, riding in the new subway.
relax. We're gonna watch the movie.
Oh, no. Hey, I brought extra butter.
Hey, you guys are watching the movie?
Any story worth telling is worth telling twice.
What the?
Oh, excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Get out of the way.
Who is this crowd? Hey, down in front.
Gosh!
Watch it. Okay, buddy, you win.
Sure you don't mind?
Hakuna Matata.
Timon, I still don't do so well in crowds.